Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Impala Limited LT, stock number Z7729XX. 44,000 miles in this Impala. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Summit White in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior. Spacious trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, large, easy to read gauges. Get only 44,000 miles. Temperature and compass display in the dash. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 300 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with those 300 horses, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.